welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. I am still Mrs. OKK. Today's topic is time and energy management, and this note is first time SS2. This is for SS2 Food and Nutrition. So I'm starting, and the scheme is starting with time and energy management in food and nutrition. What are the objectives of this lesson? By the end of this lesson, students will be able to, number one, understand the importance of time and energy management in food preparation and nutrition. They'll be able to identify strategies to effectively manage time and energy in the kitchen. Students will be able to apply guidelines for efficient time and energy use to promote healthier eating and reduce wastage. Time and energy management are essential skills in foods and nutrition because they help individuals prepare meals efficiently, conserve energy, and maintain a balanced lifestyle. Proper management can reduce stress, save money, and contribute to healthier eating habits. That's it. So, now what is time management in foods and nutrition? I'm going to explain them one after the other first before I give you the guideline for the two. Time management in foods and nutrition refers to planning and organizing how much time is spent on food-related activities such as shopping, meal preparation, cooking, and cleaning. Importance of time management in food and nutrition ensures meals are prepared on time and are nutritious. It helps avoid last-minute unhealthy food choices. It reduces food wastage by planning portions and storage. Tips for time management. Number one, plan meals ahead, weekly or daily meal plans. Prepare ingredients in advance, chopping vegetables and marinating meat. Use quick cooking methods for busy days, stir-frying, microwaving, batch cook, and freeze meals for future use. Multitask smartly, but avoid compromising food safety. Understanding energy management in food and nutrition. Now we are in energy management. Energy management involves using physical and electrical energy efficiently during food preparation to reduce fatigue, save costs, and protect the environment. Importance of energy management. It conserves personal physical energy, preventing burnout, minimizes use of electrical appliances, lowering electricity bills. It reduces carbon footprint by efficient use of resources. Tips for energy management. Organize cooking to reduce unnecessary movement. Keep tools within reach. Use energy-efficient appliances. Example, pressure cookers, microwaves. Cook multiple dishes simultaneously, using one appliance when possible. Avoid overcooking and reduce cooking time. Turn off appliances when not in use. Now, guidelines for effective time and energy management in foods and nutrition. Number one, plan your meals. Prepare a meal plan to streamline shopping and cooking, saving time and reducing waste. Prepare ingredients in advance. Chop, measure, and marinate ingredients ahead of time to reduce cooking time. Use efficient cooking methods. Prefer methods like steaming, grilling, and pressure cooking that save energy and time. Batch cook and store. Cook larger quantities and store for later use. This saves time and busy days. Organize your workspace. Keep your kitchen tidy and tools accessible to minimize unnecessary movements and energy expenditure. Use energy-saving appliances. Utilize microwaves, slow cookers, or pressure cookers to save electricity and cooking time. Cook multiple dishes together. Use ovens or stovetops to cook more than one dish at once where possible. Avoid overcooking. Overcooking wastes energy and nutrients. Cook only as long as necessary. Clean as you go. Cleaning during cooking saves time and energy after meal preparation. Rest and take breaks. Managing personal energy includes resting to avoid fatigue and maintain efficiency. Now, this is your assignment for SS2. This is your assignment. Students should create a simple weekly meal plan, incorporating time saving and energy efficient cooking methods. Number 2, discuss how these strategies can improve nutrition and reduce stress. Now, the summary of the lesson. Time and energy management in foods and nutrition is vital for efficient meal preparation, saving resources, and promoting healthy eating. Planning, organizing, and using the right tools and methods can help manage both time and energy effectively. Applying these guidelines supports a balanced lifestyle and environmental sustainability.
What do you think about this?
I love it.
What about this? How about this?
I love it.
Certainly, here are some common tasks in food preparation that require effective time and energy management. I'll add them to the lesson notes under a new section for clarity. For clarity, even I'll add it in this video show. For clarity, tasks requiring time and energy management in food preparation. Efficiently managing time and energy is crucial during various food preparation tasks to ensure smooth workflow and quality results. Key tasks includes number 1, meal planning and grocery shopping. Planning meals ahead and shopping efficiently to avoid multiple trips and reduce time spent. Washing and cleaning ingredients. Properly washing vegetables, fruits, and meat to ensure hygiene while managing water and physical energy usage. Chopping and preparing ingredients. Cutting, slicing, peeling, and marinating require good organization and energy. So preparing in batches saves time later. Cooking and monitoring food. Managing cooking times for different dishes. Using timers and multitasking safely to avoid overcooking and save energy. Using kitchen appliances. Operating ovens, stoves, microwaves, and mixers efficiently to reduce electricity consumption and physical efforts. Plating and serving food. Arranging meals attractively while minimizing unnecessary movements. Clean up after cooking. Washing utensils, wiping surfaces, and organizing the kitchen can be energy consuming. Cleaning as you go helps you to manage these tasks better. Did you see that? There's a lot in time and energy management when cooking food. So we should always ensure that we take our time to prepare the meal that we are preparing and to avoid accidents, to avoid unnecessary wastage of time and energy. I told you that preparation of food, especially when you are conducting food and nutrition practical, all the students are meant to be given time for cooking. We give students time for their preparation of the meal. We have 3-course meal that you're preparing. We give you time, and by the time, when it's time, you stop. So when you plan your time and energy management well, there's no way you will pass the time of cooking. So I'll advise you to always give yourself time when you're preparing any meal at home or in school. Make sure, even when the teacher did not ask you, give you time for the preparation. Try and give yourself time and work on the time that you have given yourself and your energy level. Plan your energy usage also. Would like me to give you the notes, the complete notes of this particular lesson. You can say yes at the comment section. And if you also want SS1, SS2, and SS3 complete notes of food and nutrition, I have them on request. Thank you for watching this class and see you in the next class. Remember, we are going to complete the first time scheme in this playlist, in this particular playlist. See you in the next class.